Si President Ramos kasi, this is the brainchild actually of President. Sila Paul Dominguez of Suspurit, President Ramos. Inano lang nila talaga na how to go about making the connections more substantial and little bit firmer.
It is time to have a president from Mindanao.
Wala, biro lang lang.
Nag-approve sign po.
Dahil dyan sa t-shirt yung sinusuot ni Bong, but we did not discuss policy.
Sir, sabi niya sir, kinahalan na daw ka mag-decide sir.
Kinsa mo?
As president sa Medalan pagka-president.
Kinsa din.
Ingon si FDR sir.
Nga, ang dagan. Sinabi ko nga sa kanya, ayaw ko. In passing lang, he asked me whether I am interested. I said no. Hanap ng iba dyan, ayaw ko. It was a passing question. We did not discuss it. We were discussing with BPM. Ito doon kasi panlilyo.